So I just arrived in my room. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Clinton Dean. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and do all the things you need to do to be part of the community. I am in my car right now and I'm going to check into the Wild Coast Sun. I am going to be here for an overnight trip for a media tour and I'm going to take you along with me. Let's go.
You are welcome to the office.
Thank you.
Presenting a registration form for you and your home keys that you need to sign. Put your ID number. You need to have your address as well, your cell number.
So I just arrived in my room. And you have to see this magnificent view. I'm going to show you. We are going for a river cruise and here's Ntando. Hello! She hails from the south coast and we're gonna spend an hour on the boat and we're looking forward to just having a relaxing afternoon. Are you excited?
Definitely, I can't wait. I cannot wait.
Heading out for dinner at Chico's restaurant now. Today was amazing. I went on a river cruise with the rest of the media group and I came back to my room and relaxed afterwards and now just showered and ready for some great food. Good morning guys, as you've seen from the clip before, I woke up to the most amazing view this morning and I had the best sleep. Listening to the sound of the ocean is one of the most calming and therapeutic things ever. Today I go on a horseback riding adventure and I'm really excited for that, and I'm going to take you along with me. But before that, just have one more last look at this beautiful view.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. Ah, and lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. It's been a while, been a while, been a while.
That was such an amazing horseback riding experience. I've had many negative ones in the past, but this one really is good and I'm going to try it again.